Today's a big day. We have a very special delivery for me. I am so excited. And I want to show you all what we're getting. Oh, I'm so excited.
There it is.
Where?
Locked way in the front.
All the way to the back is ours?
All the way to the front. This is the back.
Oh. Oh, okay. All the way to the front. Wow. Now this is the way they should have done the wood burning stove.
Yeah.
It's completely. Wow, I'm so excited.
I guess they probably just sent it underground here.
Guys, this is going to be an awesome embroidery machine. It's my new Racoma 15 needle machine. I'm so excited. Woo-hoo. I wonder if he's going to be able to move it over.
Those things don't roll on this very well. Remember about me had just picking up that pallet that was on the ground?
So that means,
And this isn't even going to be level here.
so that means you're going to have to.
And it looks a bit wide for that.
Wow.
And this pallet kind of came apart.
Oh, this one did too?
See it?
Okay, I'm going to have to be sure there's no damage.
Well, that wouldn't be
There's
good. That's just
that pallet is came apart. So. On this side over here. Looks like they wrapped it really good.
yeah.
Hard to believe a sewing machine's in there.
An embroidery machine only. 15 needles.
Should we get a push broom and see? Should we get a push broom and try to push some of this out of the way? Because
You're going to turn it around on there, right?
I think he was going to chance it.
I'm going to try to go backwards,
Okay.
I guess. Y'all...
Well, I'll get out of your way. Oh, wow. Want me to help push? This is close to the door. Whoa!
Right there.
I can't believe this. You're Superman.
What you think, Rob?
What?
What do you think?
Well, I think he did a great job putting it here. They could have left it at the gate.
Right, it was nice he did put
That's
there.
what it was, to the driveway entrance.
Oh wow, well that's nice he did it.
Yep. So he went above and beyond.
Brian and I went for a walk.
Did.
Hey.
Susan! better take a look.
Because it says we have to mark off that everything's here. And
Well, then you have to take the whole thing apart.
yeah.
And I don't think you want to do that until...
Okay, we got.
To me, it's still a sewing machine.
Huh?
To me, it's still a sewing machine.
Isn't that
It
big?
is a sewing machine. It's a big
All
sewing
it
machine.
does is embroider. This is the hats that we can do. And I need to
I
find
think
that
that's
email.
the cap. The legs. And that box full of stuff.
And we got a doghouse for Emma. We have a dog inside. German Shepherd pup that's already really
I
big.
think you just need a photo of this. And it all looks fine.
And Mama, we have a doghouse for Emma. All we have to do now is cut a hole in this box.
Yeah, doghouse.
But you're just expecting for damage.
Yeah, it looks like everything's okay on the inside. It was just the broken pallet.
I thought the
Yep.
driver was hanging out so you could make him a hat.
Ha ha! A V for Brian.
He's definitely nicer than the other guy.
Yeah. Well, the other guy was pretty good, and he was really. We had a major issue trying to get somebody to actually deliver.
Oh, that's heavier than I thought it
Oh,
would
that's
be.
heavy, heavy. Whoa. Is there any writing on that at all?
No.
And the computer part, I think, is right here.
Okay, come on,
My
babe.
screen.
Over here.
Woohoo! Looks like these are all kinds of hoops.
The hoops.
The cap.
The toolbox.
Oh, toolbox.
Where's the parts that, oh, they're under the machine.
More frames. Embroidery frames. Plugs. Okay, got that. Wow. And now it's trying to figure out
What?
how to get it into.
Yeah, we gotta wait for the help to come. Okay.
Oh, how exciting!
And I'll put a couple cups on to hold it.
And if we find anything, right, if there's anything messed up, I don't believe there is.
No,
but
but like I said, what you could tell now is you take it apart or something, and that would have been done. The only
Yeah.
thing I'd be writing up is anything the trucking company did.
okay. And
I mean,
Looks like you guys did a perfect job.
not a big deal.
no. If you find anything later on, then get hold of the company and say, hey, once we took everything apart, there's
This,
yes.
okay.
Okay? I'll just get you to sign and print.
And
The trucking company wouldn't be responsible if they didn't put something in. The box got here intact.
hey, this is a nice crate, you guys. I mean, it really is.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, they don't want broken machines. Unlike the way they created that stove.
That's your copy of the delivery.
Thank you. Brian, you're awesome. Thank you so much for coming out here. It's really hard to get people to come out. But now we know we can do a 53-footer now, huh? Oh, don't get out. Do you need my husband to help you?
Okay, now we can put a couple.
Okay. Did you get good front view of it, son? Wow. Now it's getting it in the house and
Yeah.
learning how to use it. Woohoo! This is Racoma MT1501 embroidery machine. It had, like I said, it has 15 needles that I need to learn how to thread. The machine, I haven't a clue yet. So, it'll be a while before I actually start embroidering, maybe a few days or a week. I've got more lessons and classes to take before I can actually start embroidering on my own. Now, I've embroidered with a home machine for over 20 years now, and I've always had an embroidery sewing machine, and now I've graduated. Okay, this isn't the big reveal, but it's the reveal of the embroidery machine inside, coming out of the box. Taking this side off. We're just taking the side off. Whoa, isn't she beautiful? Look at her.
I'm hoping I can get these out.
Wow.
Oh, not without. Here's the opener of the bag. Oh yeah, I can get them out. But we need this to build the stand it's going to sit on. See, that's the two plates that hold the legs together.
Ah. Yeah, and here's the toolbox that came with our Racoma embroidery machine. And Rob is trying to set
that already has liquid in
up
it.
the frame.
Oh, they gave you an extra thing if one breaks.
What?
Of the line this embroidery machine.
Aha.
And the things to hold the
Spools in place.
The spools. Pliers. The Allen wrench set. The screws are going to get in the way.
Everything needles. Everything that we need to set up, maintain
right there.
The machine, looks like. We'll find out what that's to.
I don't even know if it shows. It doesn't even show that on there.
We'll have to see what
this is
that
the wrenches
is.
When I need those, I think.
And excuse the mess, but that was the space we were thinking the sewing machine would fit in. The embroidery machine, excuse me. That is a sewing machine. And our beautiful embroidery machine is going to come in here. But I thought it was only going to be 30 inches. And there's a great big table that attaches for flat embroidery. So I don't even know if I don't even have a clue how this is going to fit.
Oh, even a little scissors.
Little scissors for snipping. 4 screwdrivers, another twisty kind of screwdriver right there. See?
4 of those.
All new tools for the sewing machine that will stay with the sewing machine.
4 of those. There should be 4 of those.
Rob can't use them for anything else. It's only for my sewing machine. Right, Rob?
I got more of that than that, so we wouldn't even have needed them.
Yeah, so they'll just stay in the toolbox here for when we do need them.
Oh, that's smaller. That goes over here. According to this, it should only been like 6 of them.
See, these are the tools.
See, they show a picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and we got 12. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. A bunch of those.
Yeah, we have all of those on the screen, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
More than that.
We
of
have
those and these.
Lock washers and the rollers. and that. And Rob is
6mm and 10mm and open end we'll need.
okay. So that's what we've got.
We already did that.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure we put the right screws in the right place.
Right. That would help, huh?
See that? Oh, it has little bumps on it. I didn't really look. But we have to put it on upside down because we're going to build it upside down.
Ah.
Oh, it does go out farther than that.
Oh. So this is how Rob is going to put our frame together. The stand. And these are the other parts.
Watch out.
It's that big screw thing. And Rob's gonna start putting this together. I'm so excited. Thanks for joining us today. Like, subscribe, and share.